Success is a battle. There is no middle ground for success. There are people who mean well for you, but they don't know better because they are shallow-minded. There are people who just hate you and will do anything to make sure you are not successful. There are people who will do anything to ruin your plans and efforts when you try to do something that will put your name on the sands of time. There are people who genuinely want you to succeed, but they can never stand the idea of you doing better than they are doing. So you need to brace up. You need to start walking in silence. You need to start working on your ideas in silence. You need to start working on your dreams in silence. You need to start working on yourself in silence. You need to start developing your skills in silence. And above all, pray to God in silence. Get a dark room. Go into that dark room. You need to lose some sleep sometimes. You need to lose some friends if you have to. You need to lose that game application that takes away your precious time if you have to. You need to lose that social media application if you have to. You need to lose staying in your comfort zone. Whatever gives you comfort can never make you grow. Normal success is what normal people do to achieve success. If you need to be great, you need to break the chain of being normal and go out of your way. Come sun, come rain. There are people who mean well for you, but you need to leave them wondering what you have been up to, what you are walking up to, and come back from that dark room and shock them with your success. Leave them mouth wide open. This is for anybody who ever doubted you. And now when you are already at the top, after you might have made your way through the steps of success, it will be too late for your enemies to attack because they didn't see this coming. They doubted you. They underestimated you. Now they cannot attack you anymore because you are way too up high for them to reach you. Avoid small-minded people, or else they are gonna pull you down into their narrow path of doing things and narrow path of thinking.